Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe on your personal computer. First, you will need an emulator, which is software that mimics a game console. Yuzu and Ryujinx are two excellent options for Nintendo Switch games. Before you begin, make sure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable processor for the best experience. Next, you will need the game files for Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. These are often referred to as ROMs or NSP files. It is important to only use files from games you legally own. Additionally, you will need the latest firmware files for your Nintendo Switch, which can be extracted from your console or found online, to ensure the emulator functions correctly. Once you have your emulator and game files, install the emulator software. Then, open the emulator and point it to your game and firmware files. You can connect almost any modern gamepad, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, and map its buttons within the emulator settings. Experiment with graphics settings to find a balance between visual fidelity and smooth frame rates. With everything configured, simply select Mario Kart 8 Deluxe from your emulator's game list. The game should now launch, allowing you to enjoy all the tracks and characters. Remember to keep your emulator updated, as developers frequently release patches that enhance performance and fix bugs, ensuring a consistently great gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.